It's like inspiring.
The television.
Watch out for this rock.
Yeah, I see it.
Nice. Keeping it at 3,000 RPM.
Nice. It's a good RPM.
Yeah. Breaking in that front diff.
Easy peasy for this thing.
Yeah, I'll do this in second gear.
Nice. Good trail route. Good line.
Yeah. I think my routes sometimes are different than Bianca's because my truck's way skinnier, but in general, she always picks good lines. So.
You feel any difference compared to your other truck?
Oh yeah. My other truck was way softer and more flexible.
Yeah, it had more like a Baja feel.
Yeah, it was more of like a... It did feel more racy compared to this for sure. That's okay. Not to mention the other truck was just... You know, it already had scuffs all over it and...
Yeah, you didn't have to care.
Like, I didn't care, yeah. Like... This truck I really care about, so... Okay.
First gear.
This is a first gear
Yeah,
one.
this is definitely first gear. Yeah, she's picking a good line. Is this more like Hunter's range?
This is like sections of it, yeah.
Oh, this is pretty crazy.
I don't think it gets much harder than this. I'm going right over the rocks. I didn't want to hit my diff, man.
Watch out for this rock in the middle there.
I know.
Don't slow down.
I just really
Nice,
don't.
good route.
Sometimes I really don't. I don't want to hit my diff, so I
Okay,
gotta
you're doing good. The diff can still take a good hit, like
not too hard
not
of
too
a
much
hit,
of a hard
you know?
hit, but it can still bump something.
I'm just always aware.
Good line though, that was really good. For not having much of a lift on this thing, it does really good.
Oh yeah. No, it has just the right amount of clearance for hardcore trails. If you're not insane. I wouldn't want any less clearance than what this truck has.
I wouldn't either.
I think I'll scrape on this one. I think I'll be okay.
Have you been up this one yet before?
With my other truck, I did all this. It's a good thing to keep your four-wheel drive, you know, not too wide of a stance.
Yeah.
You can pick more lines if you have tighter wheels.
That's true.
I mean, it's a bit more tippy though, but
There's no try it?
No, I'm just watching it on the GoPro. Making sure the GoPro gets it. That was pretty gnarly. So.
Dang, that's crazy. You gonna try it?
You can keep going straight if you don't want to take this route.
No. With my other truck, I might not have even taken it.
Good job, though. That was sick.
Oh, yeah. Her Jeep is fully prepared for that stuff. I'd want at least 2-inch more clearance for that.
It's a little bumpy, but not too bad.
A little bumpy. That's bumpy. I'll stick around this way. It's a pretty nice little view, eh?
Yeah, it's killer. Here she is.
See, my truck's skinny enough I can go right along the side.
Yeah.
Which I like to do sometimes.
Yeah, as her square.
Well, she wants bigger wheels still. They're not big enough. I think it's perfect the way that
I
it
think
is.
she needs a little more lift and a little bit bigger wheels.
It's so. It just looks so perfect to me.
It looks really good. It still looks really classic the way it is right now. Like it doesn't look like too different.
Like, I don't know. I'd be content with it personally, but
yeah.
she doesn't have sports cars though, so she can focus more of her money on
Yeah.
less things.
Is this the trailer went up? Oh no, this isn't.
No rattle still, that's good. It's a good brake and ride. Alright, let's slow down with this.
Yeah.
Nice.
This thing has more clearance than Devin's truck. Devin's truck does not have very much clearance.
Really? You looked under?
I just compared it when you came in to tell me, I looked at your truck compared to his.
Sweet.
First gear, maybe.
I'm gonna take a different route.
I'm gonna go this way. Nice. Dude, I can definitely feel the sway bar.
Yeah, but it's these trails aren't hardcore enough that I need to pull it out. It just makes the ride less smooth. I mean, if I was off-roading every weekend, yeah, I'd pull it out. This trail is like seldom used compared to the FSR, so it makes our journey to that hike more interesting, eh?
Yeah.
Google Maps chose this route.
Yeah.
Imagine if you just thought it was like all an FSR and you had some car and you're all the way out here. You'd have to turn around.
I want to be in 4 high for some of this stuff.
What?
I would be in 4 high for this. 4 low's a little.
I'm good. I want to be in 4 low so I don't have any power loss, you know?
True.
For the steeper stuff. Like if I'm going over 40 kilometers an hour, yeah, for sure I'll put it in 4